Hi YouTube! Welcome to my channel. This is your boy Paul Villena, and for our second video, we're gonna take a look at the new Air Jordan 3 Retro in blue cement. So wear your kicks, tie them up, and put on the swag as we kick this video in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! This pair was released online and on demand last week, July 18, 2020, for about more or less $200. The official colorway of this shoe is Varsity Royal Cement Gray, which somehow reminds us with a DJ Khaled Another One Jordan 3. This was made available at select retailers here in the Philippines like Titan. And before we jump into the sneaker, let's appreciate the box as Jordan brand sticks to the traditional design of the box, which have a black lid on top and elephant print below the box. Here we are, the Air Jordan 3 Blue Cement. Jordan brand decided to continue with the remastered shape of the Air Jordan 3, that what we saw in the recent pair, the Air Jordan 3 Red Cement and the Air Jordan 3 UNC. And this Air Jordan 3 Blue Cement continues the narrative of the cement line of the Air Jordan 3. Let's take a look closer on the sneaker as Jordan brand continues to use genuine and synthetic leather, which is not far with the typical tumbled leather used on Jordan 3s. I can say that the leather is okay but not that amazing. In addition, we have smooth leather that is visible below the tumbled leather. Jordan 3s will not be complete without the elephant print on the toe box and at the back. And for the viewers who are new to Jordan 3s, here we can see a much thinner elephant print in comparison to the thick elephant print in the black cement 3s that was released few years back. Looking at the center of the shoe, we have these eyelets in bottom and top, which was finished with black colored plastic that complements in the overall color of the shoe. Moving to the back of the shoe, we can see the black heel tab with Jumpman Air logo instead of the Nike Air branding that was used in the recent red cement 3s, which for me, it makes it more interesting. In terms of laces, Jordan brand decided to give us 3 different sets of flat laces, which are black, white, and royal blue. If you want to make this shoe stand out, maybe you can swap it to white flat laces, but for me, I'll stick to the black flat laces. Underneath the laces, we have the tongue, which constructed in smooth gray leather with the embroidered royal blue Jumpman on top. You also have the perforated gray smooth leather, which can be found below the tongue. On the back of the tongue, we can see this royal blue liner, and the team decided to continue with a non-visible liner which is closer to the OG design. For me, I preferred to see the same liner that what we saw in the black cement 3s, which gives an additional layer of material and color that makes the shoe stand out when wearing. Let's go inside of the shoe. We have a polyurethane insole in blue with the Jumpman print in white branding. There is also a visible air sole unit in the heel and encapsulated air sole unit in the forefront. In terms of the outsole, Jordan brand continues to use the Jordan 3 outsole style using gray colored rubber, royal blue, and white with the Jordan brand underneath the heel that provides durability and traction. And with that, let me lace this shoe and show you how it looks on feet. In terms of sizing, I usually wear size 10 on most of my Jordan 3 sneakers, and I can say you can stick with true to size measurement on this Air Jordan 3 Blue Cement. So let's talk about comfort of using this sneaker, and I can say that typically Jordan 3 gives you a flush feeling on the back for some support, and it's the same experience that you can get with your black cement, red cement, and UNC when you're getting this Air Jordan 3 Blue Cement. For me, this iteration of the Air Jordan 3 is a great addition to my collection. If you watch my last video, I've mentioned that Air Jordan 3 is one of my top favorite Jordan model. This silhouette and model is not that hard to pull off. You can actually style this in either black pants or gray trousers or shorts with clean white high socks. What I actually really miss on this release is the hang tag that usually comes with any Jordan 3 before. Please let me know in the comment section below what you think about this new Air Jordan 3 Blue Cement. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell button for notification. Expect for more unboxing videos and anything about sneakers and toys soon on this channel. Please be safe and be healthy. Bye-bye!